Okay, we've been watching a bunch of videos about wrapping a towel around the Xbox for 20 minutes and make sure it gets pretty hot or some crap like that. And they said it'll fix 3 red light tricks. So, it's another couple minutes and we'll try it out, see if it works. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes. There's the towel. We even threw in a heater just to make it even hotter.
And everywhere I go, there's always something to remind me.
See if it works. A little hot. 1, 2. Oh wow, that's really hot. Oh my god. Okay. Tommy, show the 3 red lights.
Move it over. Okay, we see 3 red lights.
Alright.
Yeah, that wasn't right.
Oh my
god, it worked. Alright.
Okay.
Prove it works.
I'll shut off the camera so we can play.
Failing to recall what I was missing all that time in England. Sent me aimlessly on foot or by the help of transportation to knock on windows where a friend no longer lived. I had forgotten